Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's going to be a makeup tutorial video. This is going to be a daytime glam look. I'm going to show you guys everything that I do from start to finish, from prepping my skin all the way to my finished eyeshadow look. So if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Naomi Boyer. And if you haven't yet, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. Follow me on Instagram. I'm just Naomi Boyer, and let's get to the video. Started. So I partnered up with L'Occitane for their new Aqua Reotier collection. Now my face is combination. It starts off really dry and then gets oily throughout the day. So this whole line is like a hydrating facial that provides moisture for like 24 hours. And so it's great because it's gonna help balance my skin so that it's not too dry and so that it's not too oily. I wanted to mention that you can get a gift with purchase if you spend $10 or more online, or you can go in store and get the gift with purchase without actually purchasing anything. But this is basically what you get. It's this box. You get the shampoo as well as the Ultra Thirst Quenching Gel, which I'm about to use, and the Almond Supple Skin Oil. So this is what the gift with purchase is gonna look like. All right, to start off, I'm gonna prep my skin. I already cleansed my face, but this is their new Aqua Reotier Water Gel Cleanser. The thing that's great about this is that it's still really gentle for your skin. It also has a cool, light scent. Now I'm gonna prep my skin with the Moisture Prep Essence. This one is really nice. It's kind of like a toner, but it basically preps your skin for whatever you're gonna put on after it. And so I'm just gonna tap it all over my face. It's really cool and refreshing. All right, now to moisturize. There are two moisturizers in this line. One is the Ultra Thirst Quenching Gel and the other one is the Ultra Thirst Quenching Cream. This is what they look like. So you would just basically use whichever texture you'd like, if you like more creams or if you like more gels. Today I'm gonna be using the gel, but the cream one is really nice because it's really silky. I just feel like the gel might work better with like my skin since it tends to get oilier throughout the day, to keep that more balanced and to not get as oily. So again, I'm just gonna pat it all over my face. They also have this fresh moisturizing mist, which I'm actually gonna save until the end of this video. This is what I'm gonna use as my setting spray, but basically you can apply this anywhere, anytime. It's just gonna give your whole face a nice refresh. It's gonna revitalize it and bring it back to life. And so I think now we're ready for makeup. All right, so to start off, I'm going to use this Cover FX Mattifying Primer. This, again, I'm just gonna apply to my T-zones, and it's gonna just help keep everything not too oily. A couple things that I wanna mention in this video. Excuse the flyaways in my hair. My allergies are still killing me, so if you hear me sniffling and if I sound stuffy, it's because allergies. Okay, next I'm gonna use a CC cream. This one is by IT Cosmetics. I have the color Tan. Now, this one is actually a full coverage CC cream. So it's nice because I know there are a lot of you that probably want more coverage than what a normal CC cream would be. So this also has SPF 50 in it, which is nice. All right, so now I'm gonna pat everything in with a beauty blender, damp one, and this is just gonna help my makeup settle nicely into my skin. Next, like I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna still put on some concealer. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Custard. Sorry about my dirty beauty blender, but does anyone else feel like a dirty beauty blender works better than a clean one? I wash mine, okay? So let's get that straight. The second day after using a dirty beauty blender, feels like the makeup applies a lot better. Maybe because it doesn't seep into the beauty blender as much. I just wanna contour a little bit. I'm just using the Anastasia contour stick in the color Mink. I like to do my chin just so that there's some separation between my chin and my neck. I always drag the contour up. All right, next I'm just gonna set everything with my Charlotte Tilbury powder. And then to avoid any creasing, I'm going to bake with my Cover FX translucent powder just under my eyes with the beauty blender. also just like to apply some of that to my forehead so that it brightens up a little. All right, so next I'm gonna do my eyebrows, but I'm gonna do that off camera. If you guys want an updated eyebrow routine, then let me know. It just takes forever and it's probably like the longest step in my makeup process. And so I'll do that in a separate video if you guys want. Otherwise, I'll be back. All right, so brows are done, and really quickly, in case you guys did wanna know, these are the products that I use for my brow. I just use the Ka-Brow by Benefit in the number 4, and then I use the spoolie in this It Cosmetics Brow Power, but this one is also a good pencil if you don't want to use a brow gel. And then to clean it up, I just use this brush just to clean up under. I use a concealer to clean it up actually with the brush together. And then to finish it off, I just use this Anastasia tinted brow gel in the color Caramel to keep everything together and to kind of give my brows some highlight so it blends in with my hair. Okay, next I'm gonna bronze my face a little. I'm using the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. This one is in the color Bronzed. And I'm just gonna take this fan brush. Everyone asks me about this fan brush. It's a Sigma Fan F90 brush. I really like it because it helps kind of just like get the job done quicker when it comes to either contour or bronzing. And it's like thick and dense and soft, and so I love it so much. It really just does give off that like natural sun-kissed color. Okay, and then I'm just gonna blend all of that bronzer out later on, but for now, we are going to move on to the eyes. All right, so I get oily lids as well, and I use this Makeup Forever Step 1. It's an eye and lip primer. It's a 24-hour eye and lip primer. So this is the best thing that I've ever used for my lids that don't get oily. So if you have the same problem, try this out. You might end up loving it because I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna prime my lids right here. All right, so for my eyeshadow, I'm just taking the Tarte's Pro palette, and we're gonna be using a lot of pinks for this look because I just want like a light and fresh summery look, nothing too crazy. So I'm just gonna take the color Classic right here, and I'm just gonna use that all over my lids. Having a base like this just also, I feel like, helps my eyeshadow go on better. And I don't ever use too much eyeshadow or too much of any of the colors that I'm about to show you. So first I'm gonna take this color right here. It's called Chic. It's like a really light pink color. And I'm just gonna use this as my transition. I love pinks. I just feel like, again, it's fresh, it's light. All right, next I'm gonna take this color right here. It's called Innocent. It's like a darker blush or pink shade, but I'm just going to focus that more on the crease. So for my transition shade, I went a little bit above because I have really overlapping lids, and so I kind of need to put the transition shade a little higher than most people. All right, now I'm just gonna take the same brush that I used earlier, and I'm just gonna kind of blend everything together. All right, so now I'm just going to brush off all of this under eye powder from Cover FX that I put on earlier, as well as the stuff in my forehead and right here, because I'm going to move into putting on the under eye. I'm gonna take that same color right here called Innocent that we used the second time on the lid, and I'm just going to apply that right here, just focusing on the outer corner, stopping in the middle, but just connecting the eyeshadow on the top. Don't ever like going too low when it comes to the shadow under my eyes, because just end up feeling like it just ends up looking too dark on me. But I just like doing everything light basically for my makeup. At least when it comes to eyeshadow, I don't go too crazy. Now I'm just gonna add some sparkle to my inner corner and on my lid. I'm just taking the color right here. It's called Glam. You could use your finger for this as well. All right, so now I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I got a eyelash lift done, and I like it. It's great for on the go, but I just wanna add some more curl and lift. But it was the first time I had ever done anything to my lashes. So I've never had extensions or anything. I just use Latisse, and Latisse works really well for me. I know some people may say that it's probably not a good thing that I use that, but I don't know, I really like it. It works fast for me as well. All right, so now I'm just gonna add some eyeliner to my waterline and my upper waterline, and also some eyeliner to my lid, but no wing. Again, I am just going to not take it all the way, just like halfway. Same thing that I did with the eyeshadow. There's my eyeliner. I'm just using Makeup Forever. I believe this is a waterproof eyeliner. I'm just gonna let my hair down so you can kind of see everything so far. We are not quite done yet. I'm gonna add some mascara. I'm just using Maybelline's Lash Sensational. All right, then I'm gonna add a second coat. This is the Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. This one's really good. It really makes your lashes long. All right, lastly, I'm gonna take Giorgio Armani's Ice to Kill mascara for the lower lashes. This one is really good for the lower lashes for separation. All right, now I'm just gonna blend everything that I did earlier because I just like everything to look smooth, you know? All right, now I'm gonna add some blush. I'm taking this Sephora blush palette right here. I'm gonna mix 3 colors, these 2 right here together first, and then I'm gonna end with this one right here. So these do have a little bit of like sheen or shimmer to them. It's really nice and pink and peachy. And then I'll just focus this color more towards the apples. All right, that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna take this Sephora highlighting palette and use that color right here on my nose, on my Cupid's bow. Just here where everyone uses highlighter. All right, we're almost done. So for the lips, I am going to take these 3 things right here. I'm gonna start off with this Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat. This is in the color Pillow Talk. Then I'm just gonna use Charlotte Tilbury's lipstick in Bitch Perfect as well. And then to finish it off, I'm just taking the I Love Sadai in Color Pop lip gloss in Curvy. All right, last step in this look, I'm gonna finish it off with this Fresh Moisturizing Mist. Just looks like that. And I use a lot of powders in this look, so this is just going to kind of bring everything back together and not make it look so powdery. Feels really good. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you like it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. As always, everything that I mention and use will be linked in the description box below. If you made it this far and you like what you see and you have not already, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any new videos. Follow me on Instagram. I'm just Naomi Boyer, and I'll see you in my next video.